Hi, welcome to Tech Ranch, a place where we learn and earn technical skills in the most efficient way. Let's make coding fun. A story about an error, presented by Tech Ranch. So you see, once upon a time, there was a student named Mark who was trying to learn how to develop an application. First thing, he decided his choice of programming language based on his interest. Then he Googled it, YouTube it, and read the document and ready for download the application required softwares and start making his own very first Hello World application. When he was all done coding, he was about to compile the application, but then he saw red line under few lines. Yes, it is an error. Now he's stuck. But he was determined, so he tried to figure it out how to fix this issue on his own. While doing this, fixing this bug, he was having number of questions. What is missing? What if I change this? How does it work? Why it is not compiling? All these questions help him to brainstorm and try all the possible changes he can make it in an application. But it was hard luck. It was late night. After 4 hours, he was getting little exhausted. After 4 hours, finally he clicked to ask it in a forum. But all the experienced developer explained him in high-tech language which was little difficult for him to understand. Luckily, an instructor saw that message and responded him immediately. Asked him to share application through email. They had a small conversation like, "Hi, I need help. My code has errors." And the instructor messaged him, "Sure, Mark, we will help you. Please share your code." And then Mark shared his application through email. And after 15 minutes, instructor messaged Mark that it is working, your application was not configured, follow these instructions. And when he tried at his own, he was celebrating his execution of application is done. Yes, it is working. After all this experience in having an errors in your applications, it helped Mark to understand how it works and answered all his questions. So now he understood why he was having this error and what all things we need to make the changes and by an instructor. Basically, this says that errors are important to experience and learn how to fix these issues. TechCrunch is one of the kind of instructor who's always behind the developer for their little help. Keep coding, keep fixing errors, and keep learning. That's how code becomes fun. TechRanch is an online technical instructor, provide training course specially designed for beginners with practice project for hands-on experience, and it helps to fix the errors and explain the reasons of errors and help them to fix. We have vlogs, PDFs, PPT, online assistance from other social networking sites, and we provide the resources upon request. So you can email us techranch2019@gmail.com. Our technical courses is designed based on concept and fundamental, which complete the theory part, implementation or information with respect to the implementation of all the required specification, demonstration. We provide the execution and explain the execution and how it works. We have examples and practice project for homework to practice on its own and provide the assistance in case if you are facing any errors. So far in our YouTube channel, we cover SQL course, PL SQL, Servlet and JDBC, and many more to come. So stay tuned for more updates. We are available in YouTube and we are in the Facebook too. And you can contact us in email techranch2019@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching this story. Please subscribe to our channel and get updated on the latest upcoming videos. Let's make coding fun. Thank you.